Okay, so we want to detach the headlight using these screws. I probably did this in the wrong order, but like I said, I'm not real handy. But if I can do this, anybody can. One little screw there. That's 2. And another one on this side. That's the third one. That's the one I thought I broke. I guess I didn't. So then it comes out like that. That's from that ring. So I'll put those 3 screws with that ring. Headlights. So this is what we got left hanging here. I'm not sure what I'm supposed to do now, so I'm going to have a look online and see.